Using these fraction strips in the classroom has been very useful for my in-person students. I have a set of these that we use for fraction problems. But for my online kids, I have found that these are great. I can just send them the link to this website, and they have all of this stuff to use for fraction problems at home. So for our fraction problem, it was Lydia has 1 yard of material. It will take half a yard to cover the seat. How much would she have left? Okay, so we know this is 1. So we're going to use this as 1 yard. And then this is a half. What we could also do, you put 2 together, and it equals 1 yard, or 1 whole. So you take 1/2 away, and you have 1/2 left. So then we know that this is how much yard material that we're going to have left after covering the chair.